We're not gonna put that on the video. Alright, the sun's out, yay!
Alright, at the other side of the river you see one of those big cruise ships. Those used to depart from here for centuries already. So did you know that Dutch people like to give all these buildings nicknames, and this one is called the Swan. This was called the Swan. That's true.
Oh god, it like fogged up the thing.
We're at the hostel and our Italian friend gave us
Marcello. Aww.
he made pasta and we got the leftovers, so we're very excited about it.
That's it, guys. We're leaving. It's 6 something. It's about 6 in the morning. We're leaving the hostel room in Rotterdam. Probably one of the best hostels we've ever stayed at. Would you agree?
It's really good.
One of the best, yes. We're walking over to the tram to take the metro to the main train station and then heading to Amsterdam airport. Just that?
Thanks around the corner. That way.
Okay. What have you said? Now the lighting sucks on this side. So yesterday was a little bit of a rough day. We woke up a little bit of a hangover from the night before. Started our date much later than we anticipated. But we ended up still going out. Did a free walking tour with one of the staff members at the hostel. Then we went out to karaoke and went to a couple of the bars just to end our vacation. We met some really cool people this time around, definitely for sure. I mean, we usually meet a lot of cool people, but on this trip we definitely met quite a few. So next year, I don't know, South America? Alright, my arm hurts.
You want to get there?
Yeah. Look, it's 6 o'clock. How dark it is. 6:30. We're at the Amsterdam airport. went to the lounge, hung out for a little bit. Frank took a nap, and we grabbed a little something to eat. And we didn't take advantage of the free alcohol.
Too
We were too
early.
tired. There were people there drinking beer at 6 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock in the morning. So
It's impressive.
yeah. So now we're waiting to get to be. Now we're ready to board, and it's gonna be a 9-hour flight to Philadelphia. We have a 2-hour layover, and then we go to LA from there.
Yep. So we'll be there eventually.
Eventually. I'm gonna sleep on the plane. So tired. I think we had like 3 hours sleep last night.
Yeah, 3.5. So plenty.
Funny?
Plenty. Plenty.
I went to water plane. So we just chilled and relaxed.
Douaneformulieren nodig in Philadelphia. Alles wordt elektronisch gedaan op de kiosk. Dank u wel.